Hello, my name is Carl Peters. I'm BxNet's Director of Technology and Broadcast Engineering, and today I'm going to show you how to export your final video to send in to BxNet to go to air. So as you can see, I'm in Final Cut Pro. I've got my video all set. Everything is done. It's ready to go. And now I just really need to export it so I can send it in. So I always want to make sure that I'm working with video as a source that's 1920 by 1080, as that will be what you export as well, just a different format. So what we do is we come over to the share button that's right here. We click on that and we go to master file. At that point you can see we have some options. So we have info, we have settings, and when you look down here you'll see what the settings are. So in my case, I've already set this up, but I'm still going to walk you through. So the file spec is 1920 by 1080, 29.97 frames per second, 48 kilohertz audio. It's AAC audio. It's a QuickTime movie. It's going to have a .mov extension, and it's going to be H.264 codec. So if we go to the settings, we can dive in a little bit deeper, and we could see that we have our video codec set to H.264. Resolution is 1920 by 1080. Here is our AAC. This is fine the way that's set, and we're ready to move on. You can also come over to here and you hit next, and now it's going to ask you where to save it. And at that point, you're going to name your file, and we'll call this test for our example. And we choose where we're going to save it to. In this case, I'm going to just put it on my desktop, and I'm going to save it. And then it's going to go through. It looks like nothing's actually happening, but if you go to your background, so you'll see here there's a percentage here that's moving. That's telling us that we've got things happening, but you can also go to background tasks, which are then also going to show you. So now once it's done, the file is going to open up with QuickTime, and you can play it and make sure that it's working properly. What you can also do to check to make sure that you're in the correct format, if you go to your QuickTime or VLC or whatever you're using, and you go to the movie inspector or codec properties, you can also see what it is. So in this case, it tells me, here we are, H.264, 1920 by 1080, AAC, 48 kilohertz audio left and right, 29.97 frames per second. Again, it's 16 by 9 HD video, and that's exactly how you would export your video to be sent into BxNet to go to air. If you have any questions, by all means, shoot us an email at helpdesk@bxnet.org, and any one of our staff will be glad to help you through this process. Thank you.